In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and zoom out in CapCut PC. If you've ever wanted to highlight a detail and then smoothly return to the full frame, this simple keyframe sequence will give you a clean, professional result every time. Start by placing your vertical timeline playhead exactly where you want the zoom in to begin. This tells CapCut, start animating from here. Look to the top right properties panel. Under Video, then Basic, find the scale control. Click the small diamond icon next to Scale to add your first keyframe. That locks in your current size, typically beyond 100%, as the starting point. A keyframe is just a marker. It stores a value at a specific time, so CapCut can animate between markers automatically. Now, move the playhead forward a few seconds. The distance you move determines how fast the zoom will feel. A shorter gap means a quicker push-in, while a longer gap feels more gradual. With the playhead in its new spot, drag the scale slider up to 135%. CapCut automatically creates a second keyframe. You've just built the smooth zoom in, from 100% at the first keyframe to 135% at the second. Next, decide how long you want to hold that close-up. Slide the playhead a few seconds further along the timeline. Click the diamond icon next to Scale again to drop another keyframe. Because the scale value hasn't changed, CapCut will keep the framing perfectly steady between these two keyframes. This is your pause on the detail. No drifting, no unintended motion. Finally, let's bring the shot back to normal. Move the playhead forward to the moment you want to be back at full frame. In the scale percentage box, type 100 and press Enter. CapCut places the final keyframe and automatically animates the zoom out from 135% back to 100%, giving you a clean, controlled pullback. What you've created is a simple 4-point animation chain. A starting point at 100, a ramp up to 135, a steady hold at 135, and a smooth return to 100. You can fine-tune the feel by adjusting the spacing between keyframes, closer for snappier motion, farther apart for slower movement. If a 135% is too tight or too loose, tweak it to taste. The workflow stays the same. When you preview, you should see a crisp push in, a confident pause, and a natural glide back out. Perfect dynamic